Welcome to Padu Motivations. This is my 2023 Tesla Model 3 rear-wheel drive. It has an LFP battery and I've had it for about 2 years now. So this video, I'm going to show you how I charge my vehicle before I got the 240 volt outlet. Let's get into it. Okay, so remember, I just recently got this, but before I got the 240 volt outlet, I used to top off my vehicle using a 120 volt outlet, which is the slowest method possible. So one might ask, who would use the slowest method possible? Just like I mentioned, also someone would use the 120 volt outlet who they don't have access to a supercharging station or shoot, any charging stations for that matter. They work from home. They can just leave it plugged in for hours and hours. But I really utilized it topping off my Tesla. So here's what I did. I used to go to the supercharging station. Again, before I had this, I would get it up to about 80, maybe 90%. Now remember, Tesla recommends you charging your LFP battery fully to 100% at least once a week. So remember, on Teslas, this is the most expensive part of your car is the battery. So it does protect the longevity of the battery and it keeps your battery operating at a high performance. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you, we're going to plug it in. I'm going to show you how long it takes me to charge at 100 for the 120 volt outlet, how long it takes me to fully charge it. Right now it's at about 93%. And normally when I used to leave the supercharging station, you know, I'll charge it up to about 80%. I'll drive around. Sometimes I'll charge it to about 90%. And then I used to come home and guess what? I plug it in right here, wake up in the morning and I have a full charge. Also, keep in mind, when you use the 120 volt outlet and not the supercharging station, you're actually saving some money because with Tesla supercharging, that can cost you anywhere between 25 cents per kilowatt hour all the way to 50 cents per kilowatt hour. And that's a lot of money. Guess what I pay for my electric charge for either one? 15 cents per kilowatt hour. 120 volt outlet. Remember, like I said, this gives you about 3 miles of range per charging hour. So it's super slow. But let's see if I can wake up to a full charge. Let's check it out. All right, just hold this button here, plug it in. White means it's ready to insert. I'm gonna plug it in. Blue means it's preparing to charge. When it turns green, it's charging. That baby's charging. We're gonna come over here. 4 hours and 35 minutes. I'll have a full charge. And remember, 15 cents per kilowatt hour. So hopefully that video helped you. And a lot of people, this might help a lot because some people live in an apartment. Some people living in a single family home and don't have access to that 240. So this can be a game changer for a lot of people. So I figured I'll share that information with you. If you liked content like this, please subscribe. We'll see you at the next video.